It's a mess. It was supposed to be summer, but it is what it is.
Nancy Hill came home to this Monday afternoon in Goshen. A giant pine tree was blown down and crashed right across her front yard.
I left this morning to go to work, and I just left work early to pick up something in town, and I came home and this is what I find.
Hill's dogs were inside, but they were okay. The tree narrowly missed her house, but like many people in this area, she has no power. A tree also came down on this vacant house on Province Road. Power lines were knocked down on Route 31, where a utility pole had to be replaced.
The winds were stronger than I have ever seen. I've been working here now 7 years. They were strong enough to move me side to side when I was standing outside of my cruiser. So they were very high wind gusts, upwards of 50 to 60 miles an hour, according to the power service company that came in the bucket truck.
While the Sullivan County area was dealing with power problems and high winds, Laconia woke to a slushy, snowy, rainy mix. Public Works crews were out starting on Sunday night and were expected to be on the job through tonight.
We had disassembled some of the plow trucks because we needed them in the interim to do work. We put a few of it back, but it wasn't that bad for it. And the other piece to it is it just really messes up our ability to get the springtime work we normally do going.
And officials out here say if you see a tree over a power line or you see a downed wire, do not go near it. Always assume that that wire is live. Reporting live in Goshen, I'm Andy Hirschberger, WMUR News 9.